Hello everybody, Enrico from ClickTrust here. So in this video today, I wanted to show you how to automate and customize your GA4 audit. So for this automated audit, what we're going to use today is Markifact. Markifact is an automation platform that works similar to Make.com, but is specific for digital marketing. So basically we have a template here, which is a Google Ads audit checklist. This is pre-made template. So you're not going to have to change anything for now. However, if you want to modify anything, like it's very simple, and I'm going to show you in a second. But what is really cool is that this is already pre-made for you. So both the workflow and the Google Sheet audit checklist is already pre-made. And once we run the audit, like we're going to do in a second, all of this data is going to fill in itself based on the configurations that is made in the workflow here. So I just wanted to show you first how this works. Basically, all we have to do now, we're not going to touch anything because here we have the Python script. But if we want to modify, we can do it with Copilot, but let's run the audit first. So we're going to run the audit, and basically what it's doing is it's pulling the data from the account that we have selected here. So these first four nodes, it's where you have to select your account and you have to select these pre-made Google Sheet. Now it's running all the nodes, and as you can see, like every single node is 1 credit. Actually the Python nodes are 2 credits. And once this is done, here, it's gonna fill the raw data tab in here, as you can see here. And it's gonna automatically run the checklist here. So if it is, whether it is a pass or a fail, it'll give you the details so that you can further explore that inside GA4. If you see there is a fail, then you can read the details and go directly in your GA4 account to change any configurations that you want changed. But let me just show you. So it has run all the nodes. Now, as I was saying before, you can customize this. So obviously, I don't expect you to know how to code Python. So what you can do in here, you can say, for example, this is just for the sake of giving an example, but I need you to add an additional check, pull the direct traffic data, and flag if direct traffic in the last 30 days is lower than 20%. All right. I'm going to say if the direct traffic in GA4 is lower than 20%. If it's lower than 20%, it's a pass. It's a fail. If it's higher, it's a pass. So I'm gonna input that. So as you can see, it's run the script. So it has added an additional Python node here. And now if I rerun the script, this is going to appear in our audit. And this is how you customize your workflow and your automated GA4 report. If you're interested in trainings on AI for PPC, please check our trainings on clicktrust.be. Thank you.